Wait.
No. That's... Bless you.
Where is it?
No, that's one.
That one?
Yeah. Last try for redemption.
No,
Please enjoy the music while your party is reached.
Hello? Now what the fuck is your problem calling my motherfucking phone, bitch? Who you think you talking to? Who you think you talking to?
What?
Motherfucker. Hello?
Yeah, who's this?
Hey, cracker, bitch. Obama is president, bitch. We don't like white people. We don't like white people. Go get some pussy and leave us the fuck alone.
Huh?
Oh, hold on. Now you put this on speaker. Shut up.
Who you are.
No, bitch, your motherfucking so motherfucking lame.
What? Who is
Okay, you know what?
What?
No, bitch, your motherfucking so motherfucking lame. No, bitch, your motherfucking so motherfucking lame. No.
What?
Bitch.
Just speak. Wait, what are you trying to say? I don't know who you are.
Who you think you talking to? So please do not call my phone back no more. I'm gonna call it. I will.
You will call what?
I will call the police, and this number will be tracked.
A what?
So please do not call my phone back no more. I'm gonna call it. I will. No, what the fuck is your problem calling my motherfucking phone, bitch? Hello?
Okay.
Hey, cracker, bitch. Obama is president. I don't like it's
Obama.
Hold
We
up.
gotta call an old white guy into the Obama.